Jeroen, oh no, the bot. Welcome, Jeroen. Let me start that up. I had to restart my computer. How classic is that? Freaking piece of turd, let me tell ya. Oh, not yet, not yet. What up, what up? Welcome, guys. Oh, alright, go for it. Go for it. My computer literally froze this time. Like, my mouse wasn't moving. I was like, wait a minute. What's going on here? No, the computer just straight up froze. That I haven't seen. New shirt? No, not new. Different shirt for sure. Not a typical one. Took a gamble with the color. Oops. New stream shirt. I think that is true or rare. Rare on stream. Okay. Start client. Start server. Focus. Here we go. Tell you what, tired today. Went to bed at 11. Wasn't tired. Woke up at 4. Am tired. We'll be okay. All right. So, day loop. My guy, my dog is downstairs, dude. But I got you the moment the dog returns. She's eating right now. All right. So, 1 day left. 70 days left. Starts tomorrow. See, now it's correct. Let's go see. Let's go see. Starts tomorrow. Eminem posted a video with David Blaine talking about the magic trick and then ended the video by saying, for my last trick, I'm going to make. Uh oh. Make my career disappear. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? Probably just marketing, but mark it on, my guy. Mark it on. See, look, I do this thing myself. Oops. Get days remaining. So who calls this? Yeah, Star Smile is still wrong. Let's see what this thing's doing. Days until start, days remaining. Days remaining. Let's do this. Days until start. Days until start. Oh six. See, there you go. That's correct. I don't know what I had to do to get it to show that, but that is correct. That is the date that it starts. That's all legit. Days remaining might be one off. I'm not sure. What up, Lieutenant? Welcome in. Emil, what's up? It's good to see you. We are just guys. So since I go on vacation for a week, my primary objective is to make this thing stable because if there's a bug, I can't fix it. This is my first time leaving for a week. So this logic just sucks. Because this new date is um well, so here's the deal. New date is my local time zone. So you're taking a time zone versus a no time zone. And I'm assuming that's why we're getting a 1. So no, that doesn't appear to be stays until start. That doesn't seem like it's changing the time zone at all. Yeah, we should just use date FNS. Um, I'm just trying to understand like what start even is. I'm down to use a library. I have a library available to use. So again, from the server, we're getting 0 0 0 0 0 0, which is fine. That's still correct, whether we wrap it with new date or not. I think the rounding is maybe an issue. No, or I don't know. I mean, like this seems reasonable. One 1.6. What up, Taylor Dev? How we doing? Welcome in, dude. Hell yeah, my friend. 20 streams. Let's go, Emil. Let's go. So guys, by not taking the floor, Um, by not taking the floor, what does that mean? It should technically be the seal, right? Because think about it. If there's 1.1 days left, there's still technically another day left, right? So if it's 1.1 days left, rounding down is not being accurate. You want to round up. If there's 1 day and 4 hours left, you still have technically 2 days. I think we just want to round up. So movement May technically has 2 days left. It technically has today, and it technically has tomorrow. What up, Lakey? Welcome in. What up, Ibra? Welcome, guys. Good to see ya. I think we wanted seal. Starts in 2 days. I think it was that easy. I really do. We can figure out DFNS just for good measure. I use date FNS to calculate how many days between two dates. Let's see what this thing says. Let's go, Dead Diaries. A programmer's wife tells them, while you're back at the grocery store, buy some eggs. Oh no, I don't get it. While you're back at the grocery store, buy some eggs. He never comes back. Oh no, I don't get it. I don't get it. I got beat, guys. I got beat. I got beat. Good luck, you both two users. I don't get it. I'm not gonna dwell. Sometimes you got it, sometimes you don't. Days between, that can't be a thing. I think what I did is fine. I don't know how to use date evidence. By the way, Dev Diary, welcome in. Thank you for sharing your jokes with us. Shut up, dude. Shut up, guys. Look. Look. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Uh-oh. Hopefully that worked for him. Hopefully that worked for him, whoever that was. They pressed it, and then we got him, but then they pressed it again. Are you in the chat by chance, whoever's doing that? Is it working for you? Did you did it work exactly as you would expect when you upgraded? Because there shouldn't be a premium button to press again. So hopefully whoever that was got an enjoyable workflow. It's hard for me to test the actual purchase workflow. I need to find a better way to test it. Hmm. That worries me. That worries me. I just want anybody who obviously swipes the card to get the best experience. Hmm. I'm wondering if we could simulate it. If I drop my membership from the database and I press it, I wonder if I can add some code to like simulate it. You have the same number as an admin. Great. Okay, so we'll take that. I think I was rounding down. Well, I know I was rounding down. I think that was the problem. Total days, we should probably do seal again. I got half a mind to see who that was so I could reach out. I'm not going to. Guys, look at Akira. 30% in the 10K push-up challenge. Come on, guys. That's one of our better features we've added. That was a big win, I think. It's just weird that some unless I just don't know if I should have included the user in the or something. It's just weird that the basic habit streak was pressed, then a premium user, and then the basic habit streak was pressed again. Like that interaction concerns me. I'm afraid they bought it and they're like, "Whoa, I'm premium, but it's still telling me to upgrade." And that's a huge problem. So much as so, I think it's worth trying to figure out how to repro this locally. Handle remove role. No, I can see the number that's a great question, Eisenworth. I can see the number increased, which means we vetted revenue cat. I'll take a look just to double check, but I'm almost certain. Yeah, no, we're good. GR, let's go, my friend. Thank you for that. That means the world, dude. Really appreciate your continued support, man. All right, I'm looking to see who it is off stream because I don't want to expose like a user. I mean, not that it's private data. Which other way to access revenue cat data right now? There is a way. Well, we could create a way. Um, it is stored in the database. So we could make a query to do it. The June challenge is showing up for you. Did you edit it by chance, Ibra? Or have you just left it alone? Because there was a bug. That's the bug. Did you do that like yesterday or before? Yeah, that is the bug 100%. The question is, when did you do it? Because I did make a fix. Okay, good. Because that's supposed to be fixed now. Unfortunately, you were caught in the bug. So for you, the easiest way, honestly, is just going to be remove for today. So if you look at my screen here, click move it, boom, remove, remove for today. I know it's not convenient, but at this point, it's like you got to do it once or twice. And then that'll disappear. But that was a bug we've now fixed. That also impacted me. Okay. So we're gonna see what happens if I remove premium role. Remove premium role the dev dad. All right, so I'm no longer premium. Okay. What up, Frammy? How we doing? Or you can keep the bug in for later. Yeah. Oh, and that may happen. That may happen. All right, so I'm no longer premium. Look, you can see I'm no longer premium, which is great. Let me do a full refresh here. Okay, I'm no longer premium. So the question is, what happens when you do the paywall? Let's go look. You have 20 years in the software experience. You have 20 years of experience in the software industry, but companies in Australia are not hiring you as a lead engineer. I don't know. I don't have the answers, dude. But I mean, what I would do is probably I would probably take one of those senior roles and yeah, exactly, Frammy. That's what I was saying. I would probably try to grow into it at a company by proving your loyalty and expertise. What up, Doubt? Welcome in. Yeah, dude, team lead is kind of like you don't just typically from what I'm imagining, it's more of like it's literally exactly what Frammy said. Like your team lead is like your morale. It's not necessarily experience. It's like it's you should be able to inspire and excite the team. You should have, a wealth of knowledge in the code base. You should be someone people can go to talk to. It's kind of more like the relationship side of things. As long as the salary's on point, dude, you'll grow into it. Okay, let's think. What's up, Strong? Awesome, light up. Yeah, dude. Stay the course, dude. Stay the course. But I will tell you this. Don't be afraid to tell your manager or whoever you report to that you are interested in that track. So once and I wouldn't maybe come out the gate saying it, but like when people, when you have your one-on-ones, I'm like, hey, how are things going? But like, man, I'm loving it. Things are great. I'm really interested in pushing this journey as far as I can. Team lead is something I would love to grow into. So if there are things I'm doing right or things I could be doing differently to, be get into that role, please let's talk it out. And please, help me figure out what needs to be done to pull that off. And I think that even just mentioning it already puts you in a good spot. Strunk, we're actually playing video game music. I put on the Zelda radio. All right, guys. So we had a scary concern where somebody unlocked premium status, and let me see what this thing does. Revenue cap, impl, execute workflow. So we show the paywall. So purchase premium. And we don't even care if they hit cancel or not. I don't know what get means. Oh, we get the provider. Oh no, we do care. Damn it. No, then we force refresh token. This should do it. This should do it. So I should honestly be able to go to my account right now and simulate what happens. I should be able to, here we go. I should be able to click this. Premium user purchased. You didn't see the notification, but it was right there. So look, they purchase, and then they go, wait a minute, it didn't work. And then we say, what if I close the app and reopen it? Okay. See, guys, we can repro it. That's really cool. That's not a good experience. Look, if you're going to spend money, I need this thing to sing and shine. Right? I'm not going to have the user log out and log back in to see that they're premium. So that was fail. What do I need to do to pull that off? I thought, looking at the code here, I thought getting the new user would dispatch it. By dispatching it, I thought habit streak would have been refreshed. It does set a field in the database. It sets a user role, which lives on both the JWT and the database. And I'm starting to hate the JWT concept. Let's see how we determine if we're premium. Let's see if we're using the JWT. User has premium role. Has role. Pretty sure this is from the database, so it is from the database. Okay, so check this out. Habit streak widget, the user's passed in. It should have, let me even do this. Let me do this. Refresh user paywall. Okay. So the user controller, says run this. After it's been purchased, it will do a forced token refresh. It will get the current user from the database and it will set the, yeah, so like that feels correct to me. Obviously it's not. But I think I should be able to repro this in this state. What does a token refresh do? The token refresh. What does this do? Oh, it forces a new JWT. I don't know why they have to. This should refresh their JWT and should give them new roles. So we should both have a new JWT as well as a new physical user from the database. So something's wrong. Client. Nope, server. Command center. Remove premium role the dev dad. Okay, so check this out. I've removed my role. If I'm understanding this workflow correctly, merely by clicking this, it should check to see if I am premium. In fact, I'm going to put logs in to prove that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Copilot, dude. It's the best. Okay, why are we not hitting the server? Oh, I know why. Strong, way to work the tunes today, dude. This, refresh premium status. Are you setting the custom claims immediately upon purchase successful? Probably so, but I don't think that matters. I think it's all database driven. So we'll find out. So that executed the paywall. Hmm. It didn't. Console log refreshing premium status. I'm gonna do a reload. I don't really care about the JWT. I don't even know what the JWT does at this point. I don't think it does anything. Okay, I gotta restart the app. But yeah, this workflow needs to be bulletproof. Like, of all workflows, if you pay money and it doesn't look like you did, that's like the worst thing ever. See, those notifications were useful though. They showed us that somebody was having a weird interaction. The good news is if you do close the app and reopen it, which I don't know if people even are thinking to do, that does solve the problem. Okay, so here we are. Yo, what up, Mono? Welcome. Welcome, my friend. Okay, here we go. Well, I'm not intending it to be for debugging, but I noticed an interesting workflow where somebody purchased premium. They clicked this button, got this notification, then I got that notification, which means they purchased it. By the way, take a look, guys. Take a look. Take a look in the log here. The app now knows their premium. But then this icon sat here. So refreshing premium status. So all of that looks legit. Um, so I was like, wait a minute, why did they click the paywall again after so they obviously purchased and then we're like, wait a minute. I'm still a free user. What the heck? So that tells me the purchase workflow sucks. So the logs here say it should have said purchased. Yep, purchased is true. Refreshing token, got current user, and then we set the current user. Remove premium. This is a pretty good debugging workflow though. By just removing my role, I can basically simulate a purchase event. Well, no, so the next thing to look at, guys, the next area to look at is why the user or what the user's doing when we set it in Redux. So we're setting the current user in Redux. Let's go to habit streak. Hey, I'm gonna give my dog some water. She's kind of, I don't know what she's doing. 1 second. She's acting a little sus. I don't know what she's doing. Game comes out in 2 weeks. The whole Kingdom Hearts franchise. Never played it. Maybe one day though. By the way, you got the Epto crash yesterday. Probably not gonna be able to reproduce it. Yeah, unfortunate. If I wish I had Sentry still working. Okay, so guys, check it out. Here we're getting a user. Where do we get this user from? No, not basic. Habit streak. This. So the question is this user coming from Redux or not? No. No, they're not. Like an absolute freaking nab, dude. So we're setting the role, but they're just getting stored in local state. So that's one of the problems. How do I not have a use user? Use user. And what do we have? Use user by UID. Okay. Wait a minute. That's not necessarily the problem. It is a problem, but it's not the whole problem. Wait, why is this thing mad at me? So it is a problem, and it's not the whole problem. So current user profile isn't using the guy from Redux. It should be. Get current user. So the current user is now coming from Redux. So if I do this purchase workflow, this should work. Boom. See how clean that was? Absolute cash, guys. That was absolute cash. I'm going to run that back for anybody who didn't catch that because that was that clean. That was really clean. Good song timing. I feel like they're playing the horns for me for getting that bug. So I was pulling. So here's the deal. In a nutshell, I was refreshing the user, figuring out their premium, and storing it in local storage, saying, congratulations, here's your premium user. Enjoy using him. However, the user that is populating this page right here came from some different source that didn't have that data. So it never knew it was premium. But like, watch what happens when I click this. Ready? Here we go. Unlock. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. That quick. So that's a good workflow. Premium request has been dropped here. If you go to the timeline, my premium is here. Let's go to settings. Premium is unlocked here. They were automatic. They're triggered. They're triggered by the changing of the user. So Redux will listen to state changes. And if there's a state change, it'll push the change downward, which is really nice. So that's pretty much that. I mean, that's pretty much that. I don't know what else to say. I think that's a good workflow. We'll try it from another place. So remove premium role. My app crashed. My little command app crashed. I don't know why. Oh, I didn't give it a user. Okay, remove. Okay, so now if I come over here, refresh this. Upgrade to premium. Boom. I probably should throw fireworks if they ever upgrade. What do you guys think? Probably, right? Just adds to the mayhem. Frammy says yes. Good choice, Frammy. How complicated is your backend for a social media app that presumably doesn't have 100 million users? Woob, let's see how many users we have. That's premium users. Cool, weird flex, but okay. What I meant to do was this. That's also not what I meant to do. This one, weird flex, but okay again. Boom. 809 users. How complicated is it? Not that complicated. It's grown over time, but it's not complicated. There's a lot of facets to it. We lost a premium user. Which may be so. It's not the fella who just purchased 40 minutes ago. I can still see their premium status. Oh, it's probably me, Akira. Akira, it's literally me. Watch. Watch. I forgot as well, but there you go. Akira cares, guys. Akira cares. Guys, my computer froze as I sat at it this morning. We're so close to buying a Mac, I don't even know how to explain it. We're actually not that close because it's an insane amount of money. But like in another dimension, we were doing development on a M3. Absolutely cruising and cooking. Okay, so I think we're good there. Question is, can I fire fireworks? I remove my roll again. All right. For fun. This is for fun. We're not going to spend much time on this. So I need. How do I do this? I can make it a custom hook. Use purchase premium. And what that's going to do is this. You're gonna want to see this one, Heisenworth. If you like what you're seeing, you're gonna want to see this one. Look at that. Look at that. And then we return run premium workflow. I read something that says if you implement, I read a lot of things on the internet, some good, some trash. So take that for what it's worth. But I read one guy said if you've implemented fireworks before or confetti before your millionth user, you under prioed your app or something like that, basically making fun of me, and I took full offense. Watch this. Watch this. Run equals user custom hooks dot use purchase premium. What's your beef with me? Oh no, okay, that's fine. There you go. Purchase premium workflow. Okay. Cool. Here we go. This should fire fireworks if I know anything about computer programming. Guys, I need a 1 in the chat. Hey, let's do a little bit of fun. Let's do a little bit of fun. Let's do a little bit of fun. Guys, this is a 30-second one, so pay attention. This is a 30-second prediction. So get in while you can. Get in while you can. 30 seconds. When I click upgrade to premium, Will. Confetti. Fire. Use purchase premium. All right, I got it. I got a 25K on the line. I got a 25K on the line. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here, I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna refresh for good measure. Refresh for good measure. Just in case there's any weird state scenarios. Okay, here we go. First try. Here we go. Come on. Fire, fire, fire confetti. It crashed. It crashed. It crashed. It crashed. The prediction is, I failed you all. I failed you all. I failed you all. Be happy you missed out because you would have voted for me and you would have been wrong. Damn, okay, I thought, guys, why is that not, why is that not okay? What am I doing wrong here? Sorry, Whoop, I tried. I did. I don't think that's wise, dude. Akira wants a second prediction. I'm gambling on this one. I have no idea if this is the problem or not. I have no idea if this is a problem or not. I have very low confidence. Let that be known. I have very low confidence. You heard it here first. Prediction is live. I have very low confidence. $50K on no. $50K on no. That's a wise choice. That's a wise choice. That's a wise choice. You want to bet no on this. Okay. Here we go. Fireworks. Fireworks fired. Fireworks fired. Fireworks fired. Choose outcome. They fired. Very rare. Very rare. Very rare. Okay. Well, that was dope. So it was the early return for anybody following. It was the early return. No, you shouldn't have got any. Late Key and Luthick got points. Okay, guys. I'm really excited about this. Mono, thanks for keeping things spicy over there. Wild R4, what's up? Mono, are you just getting 100 notifications from me as I'm testing this? Oh, okay. I didn't know if you get them as well. Okay, so unlock premium. Guys, this is really useful. This is a really useful day of dev because one, now we know. Here, I got a good idea. This is so sick. Dude, I love React. I can't believe people make fun of React. It is so awesome. I literally love using it. Happy Mini Friday. Say really, what is today? Thursday? Holy cow. What else have I used? Good question. Nothing. So I can't really speak to um other experiences, but like I find React to be so fun and satisfying. Ready, watch this. Purchase premium workflow. Source. Oh, this is so sick. All right, we're trying the confetti again, guys. Here we go. Here goes the confetti. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. Oh my god, dude, this app is so sick. Guys, are we not absolutely cooking over here? No, I probably should have done this a long time ago. So I could have so my poor user, dude, whoever purchased premium today, if you're in the chat, I want you to know I have dedicated my day to fixing your problems. Look it. I want Embedded to operate like a Four Seasons hotel. Embedded needs to operate like a Four Seasons hotel. The customer comes first and the customer gets the most. Where else can we purchase premium? User controller main, purchase premium. What is this? The hell is this? Oh, this is in settings. See, all you do is this. Does this return anything? I didn't think so. Return premium as purchase. Let's go. Oh, dude, TypeScript all day long. I couldn't imagine not using TypeScript. I didn't know that was the debate. Dude, TypeScript all day long. I wouldn't be probably even building in JavaScript if there wasn't TypeScript. Okay. The only weak talk is how typed JavaScript is. Run premium workflow. Cool. Did I nail that one or what? Akira. Strong was shivering in his boots after that one. Banger alert, banger alert. Do you like type safety, man brave? And do you like your IDE like yelling at you if types don't match up? Bro, you think it's like coding? Strong, I know you're just trolling. That's a ridiculous comment. Guys, by the way, follow us on socials. Let's go. Hold on. Let me get my socials going, guys. Hold on. I got official socials. I have official socials. I have official socials, guys. And better IG. Now this my Twitter account is um oh, they're still verifying like the premium status, so it looks kind of bootleg right now. So there you go. Those are official socials, by the way. Strong's just trolling. Don't buy into Strong's trolling. If you argue against TypeScript, I just simply don't agree. TypeScript is the only way to write JavaScript. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, what's next, guys? Yeah, I did put up a profile picture, but they're verifying the account status, so they're not changing any of the data until they verify it. Dude, look at that comment. Look at that comment. And Better's looking so disturbingly good. Bass, I put my heart and soul into it, dude. Bass, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this post right here. Somebody print this out and put it on my wall. Somebody put this, somebody frame this post. It's so perfect. UI looking fresh and intuitive. We organically gained a new premium user today. We failed them because we didn't refresh their their profile after they purchased premium. It's just looking so good, man. Dude, and you guys don't even understand. You don't even understand the magnitude yet. What the heck is that, dude? Okay. You don't even see it. Ready? We got Akira over there cooking on a freaking admin page, which is allows us to control the whole app. Look at this. Look at this. I can upload a new icon dynamically whenever I want. Oh, we don't have a icon for gardening. Well, let me add one, right? No, I haven't even touched this code. This is our very own Akira who built this. You don't want to see the one I was going to build. You do not want to see the one I was going to build. Yeah, this dude, look at this. Look how good this is. Look how good this is. So check the workflow. Oh, you're going to build a new challenge? Okay. First, we need an icon. Imagine you upload an icon. For example, I'm not actually going to upload this, but for example, hell, maybe I will. Maybe I will mess around and upload the embedder icon. Should I upload it? You won't stop me. Embedder, heart, look at, I'm adding tags to it. I'm adding tags to this, guys. Look at this. Look at this website this dude built. Name it embedder. Embedder, heart, love, logo. Boom. Those are the tags. Save. Boom. Give a little bit of a refresh ski. Icons. We just have the embedder heart now. Just sitting here. Okay. Now check this. Imagine I wanted to come into here and select an icon. I could scroll to the bottom and use that. But even better, guys. Even better. Look at this. Look at this. We just uploaded that icon. Look at this. Add new habit. Click this button. Scroll all the way to the right. You can now use the icon in the app. It's the greatest software ecosystem of all time. It's literally the greatest software ecosystem of all time. Akira, I hope you saw that with your eyeballs, dude. I just demoed the icon entering the app with zero effort. With zero effort. You could say this or that about me. You could say this or that about Akira. You can't say we didn't cook that. You can't say we didn't cook that, dude. Akira uploading it to the back end, me integrating the front end to pull those icons out. You can't say that wasn't cooked. You demo that to a shareholder, they're going to say, "Yeah, that's what the workflow should do." You upload it and then it becomes available. You're gonna admit you're not sure how the commit to code challenge is supposed to work. Let's see what it says. It says push your coding skills to the next level with the Commit to Coding June challenge. Make 100 meaningful code commits throughout the month of June to complete this challenge. So what would you imagine? What would you imagine you're supposed to do? Now that is interesting. I will agree with you, and I've been thinking about that. The goal, we need to drop the goal. The goal doesn't help. We just need to show completed. You're right, though. Goal doesn't make a lot of sense in this situation. But the practical workflow is update it. Okay, I did 3 commits today. That's the practical use case. But you're right. That is a little odd. Lakey, all I need to hear from you is that we cooked the icon concept. That's all I need to hear from you. Also, low key, guys, low key, the purple icon, the purple background looks sick behind the icons, especially this one. That's right, dude. QR code. I can almost headbutt the QR code. I'm so close to it. Boom. I can almost head code it. Boom. Like a soccer player. That no, I know it's strong. You shouldn't be hating on TypeScript. It's amazing. Look at this, guys. First day here. I'm not gonna go too out of my way, but all I'm gonna say is first day here with a premium icon. I don't know. I don't know, guys. That's a pretty good conversion. Hopefully I Am Stevo finds everything he's wanted and more within him better. Outside of editing habit, explain. I edited this habit yesterday. I changed this icon. I cooked it. That's kind of weird that the update icon gets pushed up, but I'm not going to be too upset about that. All right, so guys, what's next? We are basically just spending time today making sure everything's covered. I should probably do a code commit. Any server changes, or do we cook the server? No, we cooked the server. We absolutely cooked the server. Lots of backend changes, though. Let's just blindly commit them and just pray that there's no console.log in any of them. I want to reach out to the person who purchased and be like, yo, I'm sorry. Dude, I should be able, that's actually kind of sick. I should be able to send little notifications. I should drop a notification in his thing. I should send him a push notification. Hey, I fixed the premium workflow for you. I can't DM, but I can send him a push notification. Oh, look at that. They put 2 A's in their name. Twitch Scam University. Twitch Scam University. Outlook just sent me a new email. Long live Twitch Scam is now following you. Thank you. Thank you for that amazing collaboration. Okay. Fixed. Different. Usability. Inconveniences. Push. Quit. Rev version. Revving version. Push. That's true, Strong. You are very consistent. Guys, look at this post. Look at this post. Good job, Akira. Appreciate it. I'm thinking it's an app, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I think it's an app. I think it's absolutely an app. Like, I think it's absolutely an app. I'm a proud dad looking at this thing. You can clear your cache. You can even delete your account if you really want to. I don't know why you would. But yeah, we are GDPR compliant. That's right. Request data. Yeah, you could just reach out if you want your data. Thanks, Bass. Yeah, dude, I'm proud. Like, any reason not to use an iPhone emulator? I'm not sure why. Here, I want to show you guys something. I like doing this from time to time. This is the very first post of our first social account. Embedder is a network of go-getters holding each other accountable to reach their greatest potential together. Log in with Google. That's right. We logged in with Google. Look at that. Used to be the user search icon. That used to be the user search UI. That used to be the user search UI, guys. I'm just showing you where we've come from. That was our UI. That was our timeline. That was our timeline, guys. Look at the timeline. You can see some similarities, by the way. Here it is today. Let me go back. Here it is today. Look at the top here. Here it is. 100th build. Congrats to the Embedder team. I was the Embedder team. Let me make that very clear. I was the Embedder team. Congrats to myself on reaching our 100th build. We've come so far. I wasn't even on Twitch back then. This was absolutely me just sitting in my I lived in my parents' house as we were moving. I used to just wake up at 4 a.m. and sit at the kitchen table and crank this out. No Twitch, no nothing, just me. Low key, this was the best and better UI. I don't know what happened to this. I don't know what happened to this UI. Low key, this was the greatest UI we've ever had. Those cards are popping off the page so far. You can pick it up. You can pick it up. Look how clean that, dude. That's actually so clean. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Let's keep going. Ooh, create a goal. That's right. You guys didn't even know. You guys didn't even know. We had goals with deadlines. Goals with deadlines. Dark mode, light mode. I'm telling you, if you can build it, we built it in better. You used to have goals that your habits would map to, and you would chip away at your goals. And then when you beat your goal, we used to broadcast it. Look at this. Look at this. I need you guys to open your eyes all the way and look at this. In fact, how do I restart this video? How do I restart this video? Look at this, guys. Look at this calendar. Look at this calendar system I built. Ready? Watch this. Calendar system. Add task. Look at we added it. You can edit it. Look at this. You can schedule it. Look at this. You can set the duration. You can set the duration, save, and it would reflect on the timeline on your calendar. Watch this. So you could build your calendar for the entire day and see where you lie with your given habits. You can complete them. You can add more, do 100 push-ups. Obviously, we got a thing for push-ups, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This was custom built. This was entirely custom built. Dude, how sick was this? Take Ralph to park. What a legend. Get coffee with Amy and take Ralph to park. Nice job. You're such a gentleman and a scholar, Dev Dad. You're such a gentleman and a scholar here. 9:15 a.m. Sure. Sure, we'll do it for 45 minutes. Perfect. Create. Look at this schedule I built. Look at this schedule. Gutted it. Got rid of it. Completely removed the logic from the that was the old dev station. That was the old dev station. That was a good workstation. That was a good workstation. Then we moved to this. Then we moved to adding these. This wasn't until so long ago. We used to have progress bars at the top. We used to have progress bars. We still supported light mode. Light mode used to look so good. This used to be a post with images. With Embedder, you can now share photos with your posts. We just added photos. We just barely added photos. Here's a comparison of our, oh yeah. Dude, look at this one, guys. Look at this one. When you scrolled the user timeline, I used to collapse your header into a micro header. So and it was an animated operation. So it would, in an animated way, expand and collapse. Pillars. We used to have a concept of pillars. Pillars were like the things that were most important to you. I'm just reminiscing, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just reminiscing over here. And last but not least, your habit journey. The habit journey. Look at this, what the UI used to look like. Look at the UI. You look at the UI. Did you guys see that? Confetti though. Look at that. It's so hard to look at. I want to tell you guys this. I want to tell you this, and then I'm gonna get back to it. I'm so sorry for that tangent. I'm so sorry. I want to tell you guys something. If you and the reason we came here is because I want you guys to know that Bass called my app disgustingly, something such as like disgustingly good. Wait, what's better? What part's better? What part's better? The slide up add task? Anyway, the reason we're here is because Bass called the app disgustingly good. And all I want to tell you is this. All I want to tell you is this. I'm not there yet, guys. I'm not there yet. But this is what user search used to look like. All I can tell you, this is what the timeline used to look like. All I can tell you is if you have no idea how to do it and you have no idea how to pull it off and make it happen, just do it anyway. Just do it anyway. Just do it anyway. You don't have to know. You don't have to know. You'll figure it out. Give yourself some grace. Give yourself the opportunity to prove yourself right. And take the opportunity on, guys. How Laravel Forge UI used to look. Oh man, no, bro. That's what our admin panel was gonna look like. That's what our admin panel was gonna look like. That's so sick. That's honestly so sick. Okay, rant is over. You guys made it through the rant. You made it through the rant. Stick to your dreams, guys. I got a long way to go yet. I got a long way to go yet. What the heck is next? I literally don't know what's next. I suppose we can kick off that build. Oh, the collapsing header was so sick. Late key, I think nobody will ever click on that. But it does crash. Why don't we fix it? Because late keys reported it. It is a bug. It is a bug. You need to specify name or key when calling navigate. Dude, that's what Zuck said, guys. Zuck said it best. He said when he started Facebook, he didn't know what he was doing. You figure it out. I still don't know what I'm doing. But I'm telling you what, I'm looking at this app different than I used to. There's a barrel outside your window, no lie. That's amazing. View today's results. I would like the habit streak to load faster. You know what I need to do? Watch this. Wait, no, that won't work. I need to preload the data. Guys, remember when we had automated unit tests? How funny was that? On navigate to daily result. Well, that looks like it's going to crash Lakey. All right, Lakey, here we go. That one goes out to late key. That one goes out to late key. That was such a hard bug, late key. I don't know why it took me so long to fix it. Okay, what's next? Locking challenges and ending in Boolean. Yeah, challenges. And for icons, we have create a habit, edit it to change icon. You're a legend. You're a legend, Lakey. Let me think that one through. Create a habit, edit it to change icon. Go to today. Oh, God. That sounds like a horrible workflow. Wait, no, that seems okay. That's correct. Because when you edit it for today, dude. That one's too low prio, late key, right? Like that one's a very obscure bug, I think, right? It only impacts one day, I think. All right, create a habit. I've created one, right? I got programming better. Edit it to change the icon. I just did that yesterday. I changed the icon. Go to today. Edit habit for today. Oh my God, it's even worse than I thought, bro. Edit for today. Is this what your day? Is this what your day looks like, dude? I gotta go back to dev mode. And Akira says, and an active boolean in locking challenges. Yeah. So Akira and everybody else, no title, no description. Okay, we're gonna look into that. That is pretty bootleg. Akira and I have probably something more pressing. We've realized. So commit to code every day. Check this out. Let me start the server again. Question: how do you get the plan day versus a placeholder? You made a new endpoint that does plan day controller get by day, and if that fails, it calls get fully populated. Um, you should the one you're looking for should already exist. Populate plan day. So this endpoint returns you a fully populated plan day. No, a router does call it. How long have I been working on this project? Over 2.5 years now, dude. Watch, Akira. User plan day latest by user. Hold on. For user. Swear something calls it. Yeah, it's the endpoint literally that's getting called right here. I'm gonna find it just by watching it get hit. Watch. Click 29. Plan day. Plan day. Latest. / user ID / day key. Plan day dash or plan dash day / user ID dash day key. That's your guy. That's your guy. I'll show you. Get by user. Get fully populated by user. Populate plan day. Cooked. Cooked. It fills for any plan day that doesn't exist. Hold on. Gotta close my window. I don't think it does. Oh yeah, it does. All right, so let's see what happens if I go to some random ass date. Let's go to November. The UI, does it manually, does it get and create for better or worse? It tries to get it, it can't find it, so it creates it. So it's not ideal. But that's what it does. So we don't have a good solution yet for what I think you're trying to do. I do think we should create an endpoint that doesn't require it to be there. That way when I'm clicking around, it technically shouldn't create any of these. Although there is kind of low risk in creating one. If you're trying to maybe create 30 or something like that, that's kind of overkill and not the best way to do it, which I think might be what you're getting at. What up, Willie? How you doing, man? Welcome in. Okay, so the bug that Akira, or the area that Akira is recommending I work on, which I think is a good idea, is over here in challenges. We have an upcoming challenge called, say for instance, commit to coding June, right? Yeah, if you need anything from me on that Akira, just let me know. But I think if we can just get a placeholder, that's fantastic. Just creates a fake one, finds its schedule. Like, why does it even need the plan day, dude? Hold on. Get fully populated. What does it even do with the plan day? It gets the date. It gets the day of week. Both we can calculate manually. It gets the currently active plan tasks, which you can return an empty array for that. Absolutely. Yeah. Okay. I am curious, but whatever. All right. On to important stuff, as mentioned. So when somebody complete, you can technically complete this in 1 day, yet it spans 30 days. So if I come here in June, hold on, let me go check on my boy. He's crying. He's been really sick, so I gotta check on him. I'll be right back. Apologies. Yeah, the poor boy's ill. He was not well. He was not happy. Thanks for sticking around. So, yeah, basically trying to figure out what we're supposed to do. Technically, watch this. Somebody can come in here. Yeah, it's especially inconvenient that we're going on a trip. Boom, I just completed code commit to coding June, but watch this. Here's the best part. Trophy case. Although it's a little slow to load it. So you can complete it in one day. Here's the problem. Well, I should have completed it on a previous day. The problem is it's still available. Let me do something. Let's go to the first, say. $100. Okay. Trophy case alert. Two. So if we go to this day, they're challenges. They're just kind of fun things to do. The idea of a habit or the idea of a challenge is to help you explore new areas that you may or may not want to grow into a habit. So if you want to get better at coding and more consistent at coding, commit to coding is going to help you become start coding more frequently, or else you won't hit it. The chill thrill challenge, same thing. If you want to start doing cold plunges or cold showers, well, here's a challenge that helps you get into that space. 30-minute reading obviously, and push-ups obviously, push-ups. So that's the idea. Is it gets your feet wet. It allows you to branch out and try new areas you may not already have as habits to gain them as habits. That's the idea. So here's my beef. This thing is already completed. So yeah, but your challenges before were, here's a challenge, do this habit for X. Right, a habit you may or may not do on a normal basis. It's one you can now get your feet wet with. I'm not seeing the I don't fully see your point, I guess. Like, here are all the challenges. Move it May. You want to start moving? Here's a great opportunity to get your feet wet in the moving space. Push-ups, same thing. Reading, cold plunges / showers, computer programming. One thing I want to do, by the way, guys, and like this is very adjacent to what you're saying. Oh, Akira, I need your ear for this one because I think this is the answer. I think this is the answer. Confirm I have your ear before I explain this, because this I think is the answer, and this is something that's been been on my mind. I think this is it. Gives ear. What if you have two choices after you complete a challenge? Perfect. Akira Van Gogh. Here, guy, dude, this is it. Lakey, listen to. Hopefully everyone's listening, but you two are the ones giving feedback here, which is why I'm addressing you directly. Challenges. What's the point of them? Lakey, great question. What's the point of them? They seem like kind of arbitrary things. They're areas where we are encouraging you to try new habit space. What if upon 100% completing that challenge, you have two options? Close the challenge. That was fun. Thanks for playing. Or convert to habit. And it gets dropped as a challenge, and it just becomes it just gets the challenge tag dropped. And we might need to figure out how to change the name to be a little bit more appropriate. But the whole point of it is, the 100 push-ups challenge. What if I finish that and I'm like, I want to keep going? You convert it to or adopt habit. That might be a good term. Like adopt habit. So, you finished coding. Congratulations. Would you like to keep doing this? You would put some verbiage like, you seem to really like this one. Would you like to commit this as a habit moving forward? And if they say yes, you just drop the challenge component and now it's a habit. Otherwise, you close the challenge. Congratulations, you did it. Have a good day. I think that's the workflow. You start to make your bed more often after completing that. Boom. I love seeing those responses. Dohan, Lakey, and Akira, the back-to-back positive reinforcement to my idea. That's because Lakey, that's a great point. It's like, okay, cool. These are challenges. What's the point? The point is to have you explore new spaces and maybe convert them. Now, if you already, like for me, this is actually kind of interesting because I already have workout and then there's move it. Well, I'm not going to convert that one, but that's okay. So that's, and here's the key. I think by giving them this crossroads that they have to cross, it allows us to address the concept of, okay, well, hey, so-and-so already completed commit to coding June. Well, now they don't have to do it on the 2nd anymore. It doesn't make sense to do it on the 2nd. They already completed it. That crossroad at the point of completing it here is going to say either, oh, this is no longer a challenge. This is just what it is. Or it's going to be gone for good, or it's going to be dropped because they said, hey, I'm done with this challenge. Thank you. Let's see what happens if I leave it, by the way. I left commit to coding. It's not here. It is here, by the way. Do I still have my trophy? I still have my trophy. So the concept of leaving a challenge is definitely a player here. Now, there's one more concern. Watch this. I just dropped. I probably lost my trophy. I should have. Well, no, I guess not, because it probably doesn't know it's part of a challenge. So either way, what I was going to say is this. When you finish a challenge, I think this needs to be unmodifiable. I think, tell me if you guys think this is a good idea or not, because here's the idea. This is what I'm getting at. Commit to coding. You have 30 days to complete it. You might complete it on the first day. Your point was more that code for 30 minutes would be the habit. Correct. I do see that. I totally see that. Yeah, there's definitely area for improvement there. You just got to make sure it ties to the challenge correctly. But yeah, you're totally right. And the best part is, late key, is we can easily implement that. Like the system already allows for that. So what that would look like, create, this is the title that's getting carried over. We should create a new dropdown, Akira. Task. Absolutely. We should have one called task. And it defines the task itself. And then that way, and it should get its own icon, by the way. And it gets its own icon. And that would separate the two. Also, what happens when challenges turn into events and we have the new challenges for quests? Yeah, I don't know what that's going to look like yet. My concern is come June 1st, someone's going to complete this and then they're not going to know what to do afterwards. And I'm going to be on vacation for 7 days. That's the concern. I think we should lock. I think we should. Do you guys like the idea of locking? I think once you finish a challenge, the easiest way, the easiest way for me to solve this is to lock it. So if you do a challenge and you say it's completed, you can't come in here anymore and mess with it, because what that allows you to do is change the metrics. Like, did you complete it? Did you not complete it? Like, you can modify the history, right? So if they complete the challenge, it's a modal pops up. Oops, modal pops up that says, "Congratulations, you did it." You did it. Would you like to convert this to a habit? And then it'll say something like, "Warning: closing habits results in closing habits result, or you can't modify its history," or something like that. Or even better, you can. They already earned the trophy. They already got the trophy. So what if we don't care? You can do whatever you want with your data. It's your data. It's your data. By saying challenge completed, you're locking in the award tied to your profile. We timestamped it. We gave you the trophy. That's that. If you come back and uncomplete it, what does that mean? There it is. Okay, cool. The system's working as I would expect. I was hoping to see that trophy get dropped. Okay, so what's the lowest hanging fruit? The lowest hanging fruit for my trip is someone completes a challenge. I don't even know how we detect it, to be honest. I don't think we return immediately that the challenge has been completed. But we could technically display here um an option to remove it. I'm not sure what the play is there. Okay, so here's the deal. I think I need to think on this. I can tell I'm not just going to sit here and know the answer and then implement it before I have to take my son to school. If he's even going, I got to figure that out, being that he's sick. Um, so maybe he's not. But either way, I'm going to go check in, I think. I will kick off a build if I did. I forget if I revved the version or not. Let me go look. Doesn't matter. You can rev it liberally. Cool. So I guess I'll kick these builds out and at least get the couple of these changes we made today out. What is it? Actions. Let me kick these builds off. Man, we've been cranking out 1 to 2 builds a day lately. Gotta wonder what my cost is on my builder plan. Okay, so I guess guys, tomorrow is my last stream of in for a week. Tomorrow's my last stream for a week. So tomorrow, I guess will be but of the year. We'll be buttoning up any final components. I don't know what we're gonna do with these challenges. I'm a little worried about it. I think I'm gonna try to sneak that code fix in tomorrow. A workflow where somebody can complete a challenge and then not be negatively impacted for the rest of the month because they've already completed it. They should be rewarded for completing it, right? Not yet, Strong. I got a lot of stuff to do, packing and such, which is a today thing. So, all right, let me go check on the boy, see how the family's doing. We knew today would be a light stream. Yeah, I can chat with you quickly. Okay, but let's do a bit of a raid. Let's go to. Let's hit toggle bit. Cool. Thanks for everything, guys. Another day, another dollar, as our good friend Mr. Butler says. Let's keep hammering, guys. On to the next one. See you guys tomorrow for the final stream of the week. Final stream